So now I'm calling Mr. Rohit Gupta on the stage from Pune.
हेलो एवरीवन। सो मेरी स्टोरी कुछ अलग है बाकी लोगों से। बाकी लोग शायद फाइनेंशियल फील्ड में ऑलरेडी थे, सो आई वाज अ लिटिल डिफरेंट। आई एम अ फुल टाइम एम्प्लॉय इन आईटी इंडस्ट्री राइट नाउ एंड आई एम कमिंग फ्रॉम पुणे। सो मेरा पर्सनल फाइनेंस में एक पर्टिकुलर इंटरेस्ट रहा था टुवर्ड्स माय कंप्लीट पर्सनल फाइनेंस, एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड हेल्पिंग माय फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली मेम्बर्स। तो मुझे लगा एक अथॉरिटी बिल्टअप करने के लिए बहुत एक इम्पॉर्टेंट है एक CWM CFP ऐसा कुछ। So I found CWM was much better as compared to CFP. So that was the reason I've gone for it. And now I see the authority, the way I speak, I have the confidence, and the people listen to me with a different authority altogether. Because in the market right now there are so many people. A person who is selling insurance also tells himself as a advisor. So to become a different from that crowd, we have to have something other than the normal crowd. So CWM has helped me to get that opportunity, and I'm very thankful to AFM for giving me this certificate. And I will tell you that doing this was also not an easy thing. It will require your efforts, but once you have done it, you will have a lot of confidence and you will have a command on your topic. So that is the most important thing that I have got from this AFM certificate. Thank you so much.